Hello, how you doing? Going to make some mac and cheese today. Well, not macaroni, I'm using farfalle, but this has got double cheese in it. Unhealthy, yes. Delicious. Oh yeah. Welcome back to How to Cook Me. So first of all, you're going to need something that can go in the oven. I'm using metal. You can use ceramic, you can use glass, as long as it can go into the oven. Now what I always do when I'm making any sort of oven-based pasta is I get my pasta in and measure it out. That's 500 gram packet that we've cooked, and then I've put it in. I'm using farfalle. You can use any pasta you want. This is 100 grams of butter. It's quite a lot of butter in this one. Normally I would put less in when I'm making a white sauce, but we're going for a big one here today. What I'm going to do is get the heat on nice and low, melt that down. By the way, I'm doing it in this kind of woky thing, you know, so you can see it clearly, but you could do this in a saucepan. So you can see that the butter's melting nicely, just a little bit more to go, but nice and low. We're now going to add 4 tablespoons of plain wheat flour. In that goes. A little pinch or 2 of nutmeg. Little pinch of salt. Little pinch black pepper. And then we're going to work this in. Just cook and cook and cook. Stirring, staying on this lowish heat, nothing too high. We're going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. We want to cook the flour. If you don't cook your flour, your white sauce or your bechamel, whatever you're making, is going to taste disgusting. It's going to taste of raw flour, basically. So cook, keep going. You can actually taste this, get a little bit on your finger, and it will taste like a biscuit or a kind of shortbread thing. Right, we're now going to get milk. I'm using a full fat milk. Here I've got 1 litre of milk. We're going to put some of it in there. Staying on this lowish heat. We're going to work that in. That should thicken up as the milk heats. You can see that happening right there. You see how thick that's got? We're going to add some more milk now. So total 1 litre of milk. I'm using a full fat cow's milk. I don't really know what this tastes like with, like, you know, like almond milk and stuff like that. I've never actually done it with that kind of non-dairy milk. I mean, maybe some of you have done that and you could tell me that it's fabulous or it doesn't work or whatever, but yeah, this is a cow's milk. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go for about another 4 to 5 minutes. Very lumpy, look at that, really lumpy. If we keep stirring it and stirring it and stirring it, they're all going to come out. It's going to be beautifully smooth. A fabulous consistency, and as you can see, beautifully smooth. Right, now, I'm going to put in a bit of mustard. I've got a Dijon mustard here, maybe 2 teaspoons. Try a different one if you want. English mustard is really strong if you want that kind of flavour. This is fairly mild Dijon. But look at that, beautiful. Right, we're going to get cheesy as hell now. So, mozzarella cheese, grated, 2 cups. And then 2 cups of a cheddar. But this cheddar I'm using, you can see some sort of flecks in it. It's actually got some ghost pepper chilies in it. I mean, you obviously don't have to do that. You probably can't even get hold of this stuff, but there we go. So 2 cups mozzarella, 2 cups cheddar, or whatever cheese you want. Now let that go just for 3 more minutes. The cheese will melt in there, and that's a super creamy, cheesy white sauce. So in my case, it'll have a little bit of a kick because of those peppers that are in my cheddar cheese. Look at that. So we can turn the heat off, and then we can grab our cooked pasta, which we've measured out, so we kind of know what's happening. In it all goes. Like I say, I'm using this farfalle, but of course anything goes. And then we're just going to mix this in. I like to mix it in here, and then we can just pop it straight into the oven dish, and then it can go in. Stringy, look at that, beautiful, thick, delicious. We're going to put more cheese on top of this as well. Oh my God. So you just saw me completely load that up again with more cheese, the two same cheeses that I used. Bit of paprika, sweet paprika on the top as a bit of a signature. So this is going to go into a preheated oven, a really, really hot preheated oven. A little bit of oregano or oregano, whatever you call that. Really, really hot, maximum heat. Everything's cooked here, you know what we're looking for. It's probably going to go into my oven for about 7 to 8 minutes. Oh, blimey, that looks amazing, doesn't it? Is that healthy for you? No, it really isn't. Is it delicious? Yeah. Oh, hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon, you can get it in an ebook, $3.99, very, very cheap, 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that, it helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.